When America eventually won its independence from British rule in 1783, it began its own free and independent tea trade with China. The success of this trade made some people in Britain question the wisdom of the East India Company's ongoing monopoly on British trade with the East. In 1813, the company lost its monopoly on trade with India, but still had a complete monopoly on trade with China, which meant it was heavily dependent on the tea trade.
One anonymous pamphleteer, writing in 1824, stated that the lordly grocers of Leadenhall Street, where the company was based, have most scandalously abused the monopoly of which they are now in possession. Comparing the prices of tea sold at auction in London with the prices at auction in Hamburg on New York, he thundered that the monopoly of the tea trade enjoyed by the East India Company costs the people of this country, on average, not less than £2,200,000 sterling a year. A shirt, tie and blazer may not be the ingredients for our favorite outfit. All wouldn't throw away the idea of school uniform. It is a badge of pride, creates an identity for a school. Male uniforms are typically a white shirt, tie, and gray pant, while female uniforms are typically white blouse and tartan skirt. Dress for summers and winters is also different in some schools. Traditional uniforms may differ from state to state and from country to country.
In the distribution of wealth, America is more unequal than most European countries. The richest tenth of the population earns nearly 6 times more than the poorest tenth. In Germany and France, the ratio is just over 3 to 1. The United States also has the largest proportion of its people in long-term poverty.
Tigers are really amazing. They are the biggest cat in the world. They are wild cats with orange fur and dark strips. Fierce and strong cats' number is decreasing day by day. There are around 3,500 tigers in the world and more than half of them are living in only India, Russia and Bangladesh. As a fellow animal lover, it saddens me to hear about the decreasing population of tigers worldwide. Necessary steps will be taken to protect the tigers. All discoveries are not helpful to mankind in today's world. Like example, nuclear bomb. I don't know that how this is going to help, it only destroys. Sometimes there are such discoveries which are made by luck, like an example, when Sir Newton made a great discovery, gravity. While sitting under an apple tree, when the apple hit him on his head, then he knew that gravity existed. There are many discoveries happen every now and then, there are so many more things waiting to be discovered.
Former actress Eero Sautome, who moved to the United States, was found dead in the Seattle hospital in Washington state on September 20. According to sources, she was hospitalized on 11th and was treated, but her condition suddenly changes and died of multiple organ dysfunctions. For her movie, Ian Makoto, she won the top prize of Hideki Seijo by Mr. Kazuhiro Kajihara. She appeared in many movies, TV dramas. Later she married a businessman and retired as an actress with birth.